Burton gang. We in the building. We in the building. We in the building. Gang. Gang. Gang, 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 gang. When I say Burton, y'all say gang. Burton.
Gang.
Burton.
Gang.
We in the building. We never going down. Climbing our way back to the crime. Welcome back. This is Burton Gang. This is an unboxing video. Okay. Okay. You're not shake it that much. You gonna open. Whoa. Okay, let's pull her out. Got some screws. Some more screws. This what all came with it. This what all came with it. And this here is a whole list of different seasonings. Okay, spice label list. It's a lot in here. Okay, let me finish opening. This is a what you call this? Right. This is a spice rack, guys. Plus with the little jars that you put them in. Spice rack organizer with 18 square jars. Okay, let's get her open. Whoa, this thing is pretty heavy. I'm going as we go. I don't know. Oh, okay. Here we go. All these jars. I think I should take them out. Or what? Okay. They breakable, so be very careful. This to put all my spices in. It's a lot of jars. Wait, there's more. How in the world I take this out? Gonna be a nice little video. Okay. Oh, I'm making it away. This the spice rack. Let's open up this other box. This the correct way how to open it. Just trying to speed through it. I don't want it to be a too long video. Oh, more. Okay.
There's more. Y'all know we dehydrate our herbs a lot. So I'm going to fill these up. This is, thank you. This is really a blessing, okay? And this is the spice rack. So you basically fill them on up. I don't think I'm going to fill it up right now because for the sake of this video, I don't want to break them. Okay. So, this is a nice spice rack. Screws. You can bolt it. Okay. You already got everything you need. And this is a like a little fountain. You put it in there and you put your spice in there so it won't waste. Funnel. I'm gonna show you this and I'm gonna call this video a day. We're only 5 minutes in, so that's a blessing. It ain't that long of a video. Be careful. Pull up. Yep. 1 second, guys. One second. Still gonna show y'all this. Just trying to move these glasses out the way. Okay. Okay. So, yeah, big bro helps me out. Here we go. Okay. Spice list number 1, number 2. Look, guys. These, you just pull it off and put it on whichever labels you want. Okay. Say for instance this basil. You got basil in here? Just put it up here on the label. Okay, so that's this one. They send you quite a bit. I'm very happy. Oh, side note, we made a healthy shake. Speaking of the video, get your health on. Won't he do it? Yes, Lord. Thank you, Jesus. Now we're on page 4. They got so many seasonings on here. This is page 5. Page 6. Page 7. So they send you lots of spice labels. Page 8. Page 9. Wow. I'm very impressed. Page 10. And they send you some blank ones in case you got your own little spice in your life, in case you want to make your little own little special spice, and you write it down on the paper. Write it down on here and just peel it off. Put it on here. Say for instance I want to write, I ain't telling my secrets. Nope. No thank you. Okay. And this the whole list. Alright. That's the end of this video. This is Burden Gang. And this is your guide right here. This is Burden Gang. If you're new to our channel, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Leave a comment below. I will get back to you. And I try to respond to everybody, no matter who you are. Only positive vibes. If you don't got nothing positive to say, don't even come on our channel, okay? Because I'm on my positive journey. But I can quickly go back now. See? Positive. No negativity on our channel. I don't want to go back to my old self. Okay, so with that being said, this is Burden Gang. Like, comment this video. We do DIY videos, cooking videos, hat videos, nail videos, gardening videos, showing our trees videos. We do all that. Okay, everything. This is a one-stop shop channel. This is Burden Gang, and we are out.
Burden Gang. We in the building. We in the building. We in the building. Gang. Gang. Gang, 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 gang. When I say burden, y'all say gang. Burden.
Gang.
Burden.
Gang.
We in the building. We never going down. Climbing our way back to the crime.